Hey guys, Praveen here, and today I want to talk about this blog post avoid read only controls. If you don't know what read only controls is, it is just this one. So, here, if you see this HTML input tag, you can see it, you can select it, but you can't click and edit it. Same for this text area, everything here you can just select it, but you can't edit it. I can't do any editing here, so that's read only. It's just to show an input and make it you're telling the users it's just read only. These things aren't part of that, but yeah, that's the main thing of read only elements. But this author Adrian tells us to avoid read only controls. Let's see why. It's weird to me that after I urged everyone not to disable form controls a bunch of times, that making them read only was somehow better, but here we are. HTML, the read only attribute is only allowed on text fields, input and text area, making the other controls read only has no useful extensions from being disabled other than being focusable. So that's the main difference between disabling a field and making it read only. You can focus on it and maybe you can style it a little bit, but read only is not very stylable. But yeah, meanwhile disabled is like very stylable and you cannot edit it. But the problem is, if you think read-only controls are a hassle to style and script and properly expose, imagine how much of a hassle they are to use. Probably avoid them. The problem is it's when you're designing and when your users are using your thing, uh, if you have to show some information, just show it as like information. If it's in read only and they can't edit it, they'll think there's something wrong with what they're doing and it's not only working for them, and that will cause more problems, that will cause more support things. But better just don't show the information in the input box if they can't edit it. Just show it in just normal text area and the actual the label and the actual text, rather than showing an input box and making it read only or making it disabled. Just show what's happening. If not, they'll think there's something wrong, they'll raise a support ticket, they'll get frustrated, they'll leave, lots of things. So yeah, just try to avoid it. That's all. So yeah, that's it for this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.